Oh, sit down na, sit down, sit down. Hello, say hello. Welcome to the vlog. Sit down. Okay, we're going to have, what is this?
Yay!
Tiramisu. Say tiramisu. Say tiramisu. Yeah, tiramisu. That is actually from Kirkland. So tiramisu. I hope it's still not expired. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to open it. So someone actually ate it. So look at this one. It's so good. Let them show it. Look at that. Yummy. So, yeah. We're going to do it. This is tiramisu. Tiramisu, tiramuko. Tiramisu, tiramuko. Miyak nung play. Tiramisu. Tiramisu. Is this what tiramisu look like? I think we just got mess. But it's good. So, I just get a slice of tiramisu. So, kamaingan nak. Kada. Minum kamaingan. What do you want? Wait. Mommy will give you, okay? That's fine, okay? But you should eat first rice. This one. Show them. How is it yummy? Come on, show them. Eat. Do you like it? What is this? Say tiramisu. Say tiramisu. Tiramoko. Sure. That's good. Do you like this?
What's that? What's that? No. What's that?
Tiramisu.
What's that? Soup.
Tiramisu.
Mommy soup.
Oh. Naman tapluko. Tapluko. Tawa is. Sobrang init. Oh no, it's hot, anak. Don't get this one. Mommy, try it first, okay? Mommy will check if it has poison. Tawa isa.
No, it's not.
Tawa si John. Mommy will check if it has a poison, okay? Mommy wants to make sure it is safe for you.
Spicy hindi.
Hindi. Masarap, matamis. Masarap. Mahal! Spicy. But it's good. It's yummy. Spicy. It's hot.
No.
Naligo ka ba muna? Sige. Mayabos na to.
Pancake?
Ang masarap sa kanin.
Hindi.
Hindi? Sure?
Oo.
Isa ba dyan? Hindi masarap sa kanin?
Hindi. Anticheria. Oo. Pang snack siya. But it's yummy. Kasi may cheese. Nilagyan mo ba to cheese? Nilagyan mo cheese o talaga yung panghalo lang yan?
Nilagyan ko ng
Mozzarella?
mozzarella.
It's good, ah. Ilang pack yun sa isang
Tatlo.
Ito na yung isa lang? Dami ah. Pero dapat konting luto pa. Mas malambot to pag tinanggal mo pa luto. Ito ba yung nakasashay lang? Nakasama na yung ano? Ano kayo wala yan? Kadap. Sarap. Mozzarella. Dapat niluto ni Daddy dalawa. Sarap eh. May pagkaanghang siya. Pero nawawala din.
Chicken.
You like it?
Ah.
It's hot. Tumatulog.
Hey, that's mine.
Kanin ka na, Labs. Baka pwede kanin to. Kasi maubos na. Dapat niluto ni Daddy dalawa eh. Masarap bon. Siyang chicharia na cheese. Yung alam mo yung Labs, naalala mo yung banana na kasi chicharia. Yung dilaw. Yung orange. Ganito yun. Sa binasa. Baka ba sa mozzarella? Hindi na naubos-ubos yung mozzarella. What's this? Maganagawa mo, Labs?
Tinapay.
Aba, it's gonna fall. Tinali ko yung cheese din.
Slow and slow.
Sarap na. Tamis. Kalasang nga niya yung ano?
Nasaan chicheria?
Oo, di ba yung banana na, alam mo yung nasa dilaw na ano, orange pa yun? Nasa pack na hotdog na parang chicheria.
Shanghai.
Ayun, bananas pajamas pa nga kami dati. Ayun yung inaabot niya o yung cellphone doon sa taas kaya ka nalaglag. Do you like tiramisu?
Money soup.
You like this? You like this?
Yeah. Spaghetti.
This is spaghetti. This spaghetti, no? You like this one? Cheese. Mommy, do it. Taste ng tiramisu, nabot ng 8 minutes. Bye-bye na. Bye!